You have a team of 2, 5, 50 or 100 or 500 or 1000, doesn't matter. But you want to look for a way to connect them, collaborate with them. Maybe you have the team members sitting in the same office or in different offices, in the same cities or different cities, or even different countries. You need a tool and you're looking forward to collaborate with them, and you want to do it for free. So then I got something for you. The Slack is the right application for you to use it. But in this video, I'm not going to just go through some boring features of Slack, but I'm going to give you actually 7 ways to successfully you can implement Slack to make your any team size 2, 5, 500 or 1000. You will be able to make the best out of them by using these 7 tips plus 1 extra bonus. So yes, stick until the end. The bonus I will provide at the last. So I'm going to come up with 7 tips to make the best collaboration between the team by using Slack for free with 1 extra bonuses, which is also very powerful. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. First thing first, you have to get the installation right. So step number 1, you need to get the installation right. To get the installation of this one is slack.com. So this has an app, also have a web browser. You can use this applications in the browser, which is called slack.com, or even you can go to the Play Store and download it in Android phone, or even you can go to your iOS app and you can get it set up too. But however, you can actually download Slack on your Mac or even PC too and get the desktop application installed as well too. So one thing and more funny thing and more exciting thing is this one. You don't even need to register for a profile. You can use your Google profile to just simply sign in to your Slack profile. So all you need to do, just click here, sign in, and then you do the Google authentication and you're in. So when you are in already in the Slack, so then you will be creating a URL. So for me, for my organization, I'm already using from my Slack. So I have a URL called vshrslack.com. So when I go to the URL, my workstation will be loading here right now. So here, so now I'm opening up in here already. I can see now all the conversations happening. So what I need to do to add someone is very simple. All I need to do is just add, and then find the name or email address, and then you can just add. If you are an admin of the workspace, then you will be able to add directly. But if you're not an admin, then you can still add, but it will send a notification to your admin to accept your invitations, and then that person will receive a notification. If you are being invited in a Slack invitations, then you will receiving a similar kind of email in your phone like this, or even you are opening your Gmail or any kind of even web browser, it will be look like this. You come to the Google Play, you search Slack, you find this app, and then you install it in your phone. And then, if you already become a member of VSHR, you have already received an email like this. You just press join now, and then you open, then it will pop up. Open by Slack application, and then you are ready to onboard on Slack. So now you are all set, So all the thing you do is the very first thing when you get your profile up to date. So how to get your profile up to date? So let's say my name is John. So I'm gonna find, you can basically actually sign. You have a name, right? When you're signing up, you have a name. So I sign up with my John. My name is John. So I put the John here. I search. All I need to do is basically click edit. You type your name, display name you want to do, put what you do. I'm the founder and president of VSHR, and I put my phone number and my time zone and Skype. Save changes, done. Oh, one more thing, don't forget to do that too. You also upload an image because it's so much important that you use the right image. So all you need to do is just select it and then open it and save, and that's it. You are on. So now tip number 3, communication is the key of your team, right? So you wanted to build an app, this thing, to make sure that every team member get collaborated. So there are 2 types of communication. One is a group communication, and one is inboxing. So let's talk about the group collaboration first. So what you need to do in Slack, these are called use as a channel. So all can see all the channels we have in organizations. If you are an admin, you can easily create a channel, and you can type a display name, create, and it will be immediately create. So let's say now I want to show you how you actually should be adding related kind of people in this channel. So let's say about Academy Ops. So I click into it, and then I can see all the people inside that channel. So what I can actually basically can click here, and I can see all the different people are included into that channel. So this is actually, channel means it's a group. All I need to do just I need to do if I go and say hi, hello, then everybody of this group will receive a notifications. All right. So that's the way it's like a group conversation going on, connecting this one too. If you are an admin, you can simply, or even you are a member, you can just type and add any extra member into that one too. If you're an admin, it will be directly added. If you're not an admin, just a member, you will add it, then admin will receive a notification, admin will accept it, and that person will be added into the channel. That's simple. So now let's talk about inbox, which is very powerful as well too. Let's say you wanted to inbox one other person, how you can do that, right? So one of the things, you can just click into it, and then you can simply click on that person, and you can click the message, or you can call as well too. Slack has a free calling function like Facebook, and this is absolutely for free. You don't have to pay anything. More importantly, you can go to the My Profile, you can get a phone number, you can get an email address of the team member, and you can even call by landline, or even you can email that person too out of the Slack as well. Now, so that's the way you can do the communication in a group, and also communication in an individual as well too. So that was the tip number 3. So now I'm going to move to the tip number 4, which is comes with the productivity. How you can get the productivity. Your productivity comes a lot on your response rate. How faster do you respond to your team member, and how faster your team member respond to you. To do that one, all you need to do is basically you have to fix your notification. To get the notification fixed, all you need to do is just come in, you select preferences, notification, make sure that you have all messages you selected. Notify me about reply in thread I'm following, and use different setting of my mobile devices. No need. All you need to do, and you save that one, and then you will be receiving all the notifications. Because if you don't set all messages, you will be missing a lot of messages, and you will not be looking productive, even you are paying attention a lot. So if you want to do it, how to do it in the phone, because the settings, this is the way you can do it. And that's the way you can even get the notification updated even in your mobile devices as well too. So I will suggest you, when you even update in the browser, make sure that you also double check in your phone to make sure that it's can updated, because when you're using iPhone, you will need to do authenticate in iOS as well too. So make sure that it's up to date, otherwise you will not be receiving notification, and you will not be replying, so you'll be looking definitely not productive to your team member, and you'll fall behind. You will not be able to catch up, you will not be able to talk, you will not to give the help to the other team members. So that was tip number 4. But now I'm coming to tip number 5, how search a team member. It's super easy. So all you need to do, you can just come into your search bar, and let's say you want to search a team name is Chow. You type and you can get her. You click it, and the immediately inbox is open, and all the kind of conversation is coming into it. And now you want to call her. You can type message. You can do it here as well too. You want to see all profile, and then you can get a phone numbers. You can get email address, and you can contact her. So that's the way you can even search your team member. So now let's talk about, you want to search some particular files. Let's say example, there is some very, very cool way of doing this one. So you can actually select files, and then even you can select some kind of more. So let's say in direct message, and let's say you want to send direct message to Lay. So let's say I have search direct message Lay, and now all the files I have sent out to Lay, that person will be available here, and then I can easily search that file and can download it, and that's the way I can download it. Or I can even share that file to another message. I can click the share, and I can send it to another particular person, or even channels I want to do. So even I can get a copy and link as well too, and can send a link to other team members too. So that's the way even you don't need to upload the same file again and again into the Slack to avoid your space issue. By the way, these are all free. You don't have to pay anything. I'm using completely free account. I told you it's going to be all for free, right? So now the tip number 7, use the announcement channel. So you have an organization, you have everyone in your organization, right? Sometimes you need to set an announcement to all team members. You can send an email to everyone, but you can actually do it in this Slack as well. So we have created an announcement channel, and every people of our organization is 310 people. all been included here. And here we all kind of commons, up-to-dates, spatial sharing, greetings, some exciting things happening in our organization. We post it here. Let everybody know what's going on, what is exciting thing going on, and they know about it. Sometimes they can interact it, they can ask questions, sometimes they can even ask for help as well too. We had an event, we shared about it too as well. So that's the way. It's a very good way to share information on our forum by using an announcement channel, and make sure that everybody is including into it. By default, when you create a workspace, it's already give you a channel called announcement or all chat. And I told you that I'm going to give you one more extra bonuses, and it's time for the bonus. To get the bonuses is actually significantly boost your productivity of yourself, because it's so much important that when you're in the team player, you really need to do and deliver your own task. And to do that one, what you can do is you can use a lot of resources to make it happen. To do this one, this is the way I configured. All you need to do is scroll down. You're just going to message yourself. So right now it's me, John, right? There is a lot of keyword into the Slack, and that keyword really can help you. So how it can help you, I can basically tell you. So let's say just write down Slack help. When you do that, then you immediately see you get a link, right? You click into the link, and then you will see a lot of shortcuts which you can access to. Example, master plan, template, VSHR Office, Wi-Fi, VSHR Office. So let's get down VSHR Office, right? VSHR Wi-Fi, right? VSHR. I'm going to type VSHR. Enter. Then it just give me the username and password to log into that, and bam. So it's much more easier. Let's say a team member really looking for a Wi-Fi. You can just simply test yourself. Maybe you want to connect your computer, but you have your phone, you have a 3G. You can just type yourself and get the password, and you just type on. And not only that, you can get a lot of software. Let's say you want to have a video editing software, so Camtasia install, and you can get it. So let's try this one, Camtasia install here, right? So you can come back, basically copy paste here, enter, then it give me the link. All I need to do is just click into it, go to the link. It's going to load for me, and here you can see this one. It can get download link. It has a username and passwords, keys, licensing keys, and how to use by smartphone, some of the tutorial as well to sort of get you ready what you're really looking for. Now let's try another one. Let's say you are looking for something. Yeah, so let's say you're looking for workshop registration, right? Or let's say you want to look for all VSHR logos. This is very important. So you come in and you type VSHR logo, and then you get the whole link, and then you click into it. Then open the link, and then you can see this one, PSD files, VSHR all new logos. So it seems like these are like our old logos. So what I'm going to go, VSHR all new logos folder, and then you can see that there are redesigned logo, and then white background, without background. You can see this one to white background, and click into it. Based on your need, you can grab it. You want to have a white background logo, so these have a white backgrounds in this logo. You want to looking for something without having no white background, so you can actually go back and then without background, and you can click into it, and these are the logos you see. There's no backgrounds into it. So that's the way you can really best use of your resource to make it happen. So now let's say you want to configure your own, right? So to configure your own is pretty much simple. All you need to do is come in, and then all you need to do is go to the setting and administration. You gotta be an admin to do it. All right, so now I'm going to show you how to set it up. If you're an admin, now you want to set it up for your team. So now I'm going to show you how you can really set it up. It's super easy. All right, so to do this one, all you need to do, if you have to be an admin. So right, this is the admin part. So you can pass this video to your admin if you want to get it set it up, something like that, and your admin can help you to set it up for you. Okay, so this is the way you should do. You come in, you go to the setting and administration, and customize your workspace. So my workspace name is Vietnam Social Health Revolution. You're going to see your own name. You click into it, you're going to load it up, and then all you need to do is go to the right side, Slack bot, now create new responses. So write it down, the keyword and the thing you want to see. Let's say if you want to see this particular link, you copy it, you can put it on here, and you can write down the keyword. So that's the way, whatever keyword, let's say about my VSHR logo, example, my VSHR logo, then you set it up, and then it will be already created. So now all you need to do is coming back, and you can basically type yourself my VSHR logo. And here's the link. So that's the way. It looks very simple for small nutshell, but every day when you save amount of time, if you have to find something, go back to a Finder or desktop of particular things again and again, because you're constantly downloading so many times. Look at my download file. It's like a tons of things over there, even documents. Even you want to go desktop, there's a tons of things over there in the desktop as well too. So when you have the key information available here and you can use it, and particularly all your team member can use the key information, that is a huge game changer. That really help you to save a lot of time and boost productivity, so you can make the best out of your team. So that's my 7 tips and 1 bonuses, so which you can use to create a great collaboration among your team, and use the Slack to make the best use of your team for productivity for absolutely for free, because I'm sure everything is free. You don't have to pay for it. So you're looking for a collaboration, go ahead and use Slack by using the way I showed you the 7 tips and 1 bonuses, and make the best of your team and become successful of your initiative or a business or a project what you're trying to build. All the best. If you have any questions, go ahead and comment below. I would love to answer your questions. If you are an expert of team collaborations, come over and comment as well too, or share your tips. I would love to interact with you too. So what are you waiting for? Come on, let's go ahead, build a collaboration by using my 7 tips and 1 bonuses by using the Slack app, and become successful. And I'm looking forward to give you my biggest clap sitting here.